Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel where we simplify AutoCAD for student and professionals. In today's video, we will draw how to create exercise 30 step by step in AutoCAD. If you are a beginner, so don't worry. This tutorial is easy to follow and I will explain every step very clearly. Plus, you can download the PDF file of this exercise link in the description box. Make sure to watch this video till the end for tips. And don't forget to subscribe and join our YouTube channel to support us. So let's get started. Step 1. Setting up your workspace. Open your AutoCAD and create a new drawing and set as a unit millimeter by typing unit command. Press enter. And then select a millimeter. Press OK. Now step 2. Drawing the outer circle. Use a circle command. For larger circle, set a center point and give a radius 138 unit. Now we are going to create 3 circles. As you see in this image, this one is the first circle, then this one is the second circle, and also this one is the third circle. So use C for circle command, click on specific point and give a radius 138, enter. Next, draw another circle with diameter 120. Click on center point, D for diameter 120, press enter. Now again we are going to create another circle, radius will be 74. C for circle, click on center point and radius will be 74. Now step 3. Draw the inner features. As you see in this diagram, we are going to create these inner features. So first we create this circle and then these circles. Okay. So now use a line command, L for line, click on this coordinate point to this coordinate point. Now again we are going to create this circle, dotted circle, as a center circle. So use C for circle command, click on same center point and click on this midpoint. Now create a 2 circle. First one diameter will be 26 and second one diameter will be 38. Now C for circle, click on first center point, D for diameter, put a diameter value as a 26, press enter. Now again click on same center point, D for diameter 38, press enter. Now we are going to create these all one. So use the array command to create 6 evenly spaced circles. Select both circle. Use array command ARRAY array polar and click on the center point and put a value, number of item is 6. Press enter. Now this fill direction will be 180. Now press enter. As you see in this diagram, now this one, click on close array. Now as same as L for line command, click on this coordinate point to this coordinate point. Now need to trim some unwanted lines and circles. So TR double enter, trim this one and also this one. If you zoom this one, we need to trim these lines. As same as another side, trim these lines. Now if you see very carefully, select this circle, go to properties, change line type as a center and color will be red. Now close this one. Now step 4. Drawing the top curves. As you see in this diagram, we are going to create these curves. So if you see very carefully, first we are going to create these circles, radius as a 2, 2, 1. Now again we are going to create this one and this one and also these circles. So use circle command, C for circle, click on this center point and put a value as a radius 2, 2, 1, press enter. Now zoom out this one. We are going to create these lines and also these line and this line. So first we create a line, L for line, click on the center point to upside. Select this line, use a rotate command, RO for rotate, click on same center point and use a C for copy command and copy angle will be -30. Press enter. Again select this one, use MI for mirror command, click on center point to coordinate point, choose as a no. Use MA for match command, click on this circle to this line and this line. Okay, now next we are going to create two circle, radius will be 27.6 and radius will be 55.5. So use circle command, C for circle, click on this point, radius will be 27.6, press enter. Again one more circle, radius will be 55.5, press enter. If you want to mirror this one, otherwise you can copy this one. CO for copy, click on same center point to center point. Okay, now we are going to create these arcs. Okay, so you can choose circle command, otherwise I prefer arc command. Now we are going to create these arcs. Okay, so use arc command, go to here, arc, and choose arc will be, choose center start end point. So this one is a center point, start point this one, and end point this one. Now same as you can choose center start end, click on here, this one from start point and this one will be end point. You can activate using shortcut ARC, enter, C for center point, this one, and this one will be start and this one will be end. Now we need to trim unwanted parts. So TR double enter, trim this one and also this one, erase this one. Use a mirror command, use match command, MA for match, select this circle, click on here. Now we are going to trim unwanted circle. TR double enter, trim this one and also trim this one. As same as trim this one and this one. You can trim this one inside also and inside also. Select these two circles using E for erase. Last one, these curves. We are going to create these curves as you see in this diagram. So radius will be 27.5. So you can use C for circle, TTR, enter, click on this circle and again click on this circle, put a value as a 27.5, press enter. Now again you can choose circle command, otherwise you can mirror this one. Now again we are going to create as same as, so use C for circle, TTR, enter, first this one and second this one. Put a value as a 27.5, press enter. Now TR double enter, trim this one and also this one. Select all the parts of your drawing except these center lines. So use this, just deselect, go to properties, choose a line thickness as a 0.30. Now step 5, add the dimension. So you can add dimension very properly and very accurate. Okay, I already explained how to add dimension on your drawing, so you can check my previous drawing. Okay, after you put the dimension, your drawing will be just like that. We have successfully complete exercise 30 in AutoCAD. So don't forget to download the PDF file from the description and practice this exercise from yourself. If this video was helpful, please give it a like and share with your friends, and also consider subscribe to our YouTube channel and join as a member to support us in creating more such content for you. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Tata, bye bye, take care.